case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2000, the Maine Supreme Judicial Court heard the case of Guilford Transportation Industries vs. Public Utilities Commission, focusing on a contract dispute between Guilford Transportation Industries and Central Maine Power Company, CMP, over the use of land for fiber optic cable installation. In 1992, the two companies entered into a master license agreement, allowing CMP to maintain and use occupations and appurtenances over Guilford's land. The agreement also granted CMP the right to request additional installations, which Guilford must permit unless they affected rail operations. In 1997, CMP requested permission to cross Guilford's land with fiber optic cable, but Guilford refused. The Public Utilities Commission, PUC, ruled in favor of CMP, prompting Guilford to appeal to the Maine Supreme Judicial Court. The court applied the Chevron test to determine if the contract was clear and found the term wire to be unclear. As a result, the court vacated its previous decision and remanded the case to the PUC for further interpretation. The PUC was tasked with determining whether appurtenances in the contract included fiber optic cables or were limited to electric current-carrying wires. The court's decision effectively canceled its previous judgment, returning the case to the PUC for further proceedings in accordance with the court's ruling.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.